Hello once again, it's Uncle Jimmy, Jimmy's Train Station and Travel Adventures, and we're here in Pigeon Forge and brought the family, and we're getting ready to do the Rainforest Adventures. It's a rainforest zoo exhibit with animals and different kinds of animals, and also they have a sloth experience. The kids are going to do that for 20 minutes. They get to spend time with the sloths and feed the sloths. So I'm asking if you're following me right now and watching this adventure, please subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, feel free to leave comments as always, and enjoy the adventure with us as we go to the Rainforest Adventure little zoo here in Pigeon Forge. Follow us on this adventure. So here we are in the gift shop. We'll take a look around the gift shop when we get done, but there you go. You got animal food you can buy. One for $3.50 or 3 for $10. That's for the goats and llamas. General admission for adults 12 to 64 is $19.99 a piece. Senior 65 plus is $18.99. Children 2 and 11 is $12.99, and under 2 is free. They also have the sloth experience for $40 each. So we might let the kids do that. So follow us on this adventure. All right, so we're starting our adventure here. We got, what is that? Is that a? Thought it was a sloth, but it's not. Oh, it's a lemur. It's a red-tailed lemur.
Red-fronted.
Red what? Fronted. It's a red-fronted lemur. They're up there on the rock. Looks like they're hugging each other. Hey, buddy. What are you doing, buddy? Oh, wow.
It's a water monitor.
That is a big water monitor. Look at that. He's long. There he goes moving. I'm gonna move for the camera. Look at that. He's a big guy.
Here, give me pictures of me.
Wow. What we got here, we got a mangrove monitor. Forbes, you could always get one this big for a pet. It's a mangrove monitor.
Yeah.
What we got in here? Don't see anything. It says it's a veiled chameleon. Veiled chameleon. I can't find him. I can't find the chameleon.
It's right there.
Oh, there he is. He's right there on the stick.
That's actually like the fastest they can move.
They always do that dancing thing. Yeah.
For a second I thought the python's water was yellow, and then I was like, wait, what?
And we got a great big articulated python.
Oh, there's two in there. One
Aren't them the albino ones, or?
Well, they're not really albino. They're just yellow.
Yeah.
The albino ones would just be pure yellow.
Big,
pure
ain't they?
white. I mean.
This looks like a big spaghetti noodle. And these are plated lizards. And these, California king snake. Got one over here. I like this one's colored, chocolate colored. It's pretty cool. We got another chameleon. Hey, little guy. Cane toad down there somewhere. Can't really see him so camouflage. Gray band king snake. If I can find him. He's in his little house there. Can't really see him. And my son has one of these, leopard gecko. He's right there in the back against the wall. Found Sniper for us. Sniper's cousin. It's down there. Tarantula, he's back in his little box there.
Yeah.
Oh, here's the monkey.
They're on the side.
There's a giant gecko. Oh, they're cool. Look, it's a giant one. What is that? Little monkey.
One of them spider monkeys.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. It was a spider monkey. Huh. Hey, little guy.
I already looked at that.
I wanted to move my fingers.
Mommy, look!
No, I moved it aside.
Look, there's a bunch of tillies. Australian snakehead turtle.
Don't even let me see that tarantula. No.
The Gila monster.
I don't want it. No. Oh. I don't want
There's a tarantula right there. You can see that in a little bit closer. Two of them.
I do believe that one is a molt.
Is that what?
A molt.
A molt?
It shedded its skin.
Is it?
Yeah, the
You
one
sure?
in the back is a molt.
Oh, hey. There isn't two of them, Eppy. It's a molt. It shedded its skin.
They would keep two in one area because one would eat the other.
There's a monitor. A quench monitor. And a tokay gecko.
Yeah, I see.
How do you pronounce this, Ford? Uramasics? Some kind of little reptile, desert reptile. And we got
Right there.
two of them. One down here and one up here.
These are the lizards that can run across water, like on,
Oh, yeah.
like right on top.
This is the animal guy here. He's just animals. He's going to work in the zoo. Look at this ball python. His head's over here. Oh, there's another one, a little albino one back here. Hey, Kookaburra. Is that how you say it? Kookaburra? Kookaburra?
Kookaburra.
They make really loud noises.
Yeah.
If you remember when we was at the Catoctin Zoo back home, they had these, and
Yeah,
they got
I
that
remember.
one hollering.
Yeah, I remember going to the Catoctin Zoo and one had a mouse in its mouth.
Yeah, remember the one I got to make it scream? Oh, a boa constrictor. Look at how big he is. Get squeezed by that. I love animals. I'm like my son. I love animals.
Father's favorite animals. We gotta go that way.
Oh no, they got emus. We gotta finish the building here before we go out there.
These are lemurs.
Oh yeah, look at the lemurs, Forrest.
One of the enclosures.
The ring-tailed lemur.
Yeah.
Ain't that Papa's favorite one?
In ways of lemur, yes, but his favorite animal is an elephant.
Well,
You missed
there's-
all of these enclosures.
Yeah, but I don't see anything.
Here you might. I don't know.
That little.
It's supposed to be a boa's.
Basin emerald tree boa. If he's in there, he's hiding good.
Oh, he's over there. He's in the corner.
Oh, he's right here on the stick.
That's a lady.
There he is.
That girl at work.
Got a parrot over here. It's a macaw parrot. A macaw over here. Oh, cool. This is a rodent of some kind. It's called a guti. Probably, oh yeah, South America is where they're from. They're pretty cool. Cross between like a rat and a groundhog kind of puts you in mind of a capybara.
Oh, you remember the other one? This one's a crocodile monitor.
Oh wow, car looks like a crocodile in the face. Look, he just looked up at me. Cool. He's like, he looks mad. Oh, look, the end of his tail got tore off or something.
You know, some people in different parts of the world actually keep these guys as pets.
Really?
Yeah.
We got more lemurs, I guess, over here. He's cleaning himself. They're cleaning himself. There he is. What's going on, little fella? Hey, fella. There you go. Oh, there's one here. Look. They're so cute.
Guys, over here. There's a scorpion in there, but you can't really see him. I think
Really?
he's on the bottom side of the wall.
Probably.
Something in here, though. A night and only.
One of those lizards that blend in, huh?
Oh, there it is, right there.
Oh, yeah, he's up there. Oh, wow, he's pretty.
You know, Papa actually had the
Pretty
green
color.
anoles as pets when he was a kid.
Really? That's a pretty color. Oh, here's a snake. This is a sand boa right here, laying in the sand. Check him out, boys.
Nothing in there. There.
This is where they prepare the food for the animals here. Got up food. This little guy's hiding. Hey, ho, he's quick. Look at him. What is that? I don't know what that is, but
Oh,
he's
it's an
quick.
Egyptian mongoose.
Oh, it's a mongoose. That's why he's so quick. They kill cobras, mongoose.
And they also
Armadillo?
have, anti-venom.
Where's he at? He's probably in his box there. I ain't gonna be able to see him. Another, oh, he's a big lizard. Argentine tegu. They're in South America also. He's sleeping. This is different oils and stuff that they make out of coconuts and hazelnuts and different olive oils. And over here we got a another parrot. It's a cockatoo. Hello. 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 Hey. He said hello.
Oh, look, a blue-tongued skink right there.
Yeah, blue-tongued skink comes there. Back in the back there.
And there's more mongooses.
Mongoose. I love the mongoose.
Right there.
Got a, what is that?
Chameleon.
Another chameleon?
Panther chameleon.
Panther one.
They get the biggest.
And there's some more mongooses.
It's right there.
Like right here.
These are the, hey, Happy, these things kill culvers, these mongooses. They're fast.
They
Yeah.
don't hurt nothing.
No, they kill culvers, huh? Is that a, look, a diggy. I think they're from Australia, ain't they?
Yeah, there's a baby one.
Another type of lizard here. It's a bearded dragon.
Hey, bud.
One up there too. What we got in there?
Oh, there they are.
Oh, it's little monkeys up there at the top. Jumping around.
Oh,
Hey, little fella. He come down there to say hello.
Come here.
What are you doing, little fella? Look at him. He's so cute.
Come here now. You gotta look over here. You gotta wait.
Yeah. What are you doing, little fella? Huh? He's so cute.
Hold on, guys. Wait. Come here.
We're just looking right here.
That's what he said, wait, though.
And that's why we're looking on this side.
There's outside too. Oh, there's another one.
Yeah, we'll go here and come around.
start here then.
Oh, this is the Geico gecko. Where's he at?
Madagascar giant day gecko.
Up here. Oh, there he is, right there on the tree. That ain't the Geico gecko. I thought that was the Geico one.
Well,
The regular
that's what they
gecko.
modeled the
Yeah,
gecko.
oh, they did monitor him off of that one. So the Madagascar giant day gecko is the Geico gecko.
Hey, this lizard's shedding right there. Look at him.
And he's starting to shed. He's an
It's an
emerald
emerald
swift.
Or swift, yeah. There's another one in the bush.
Yeah. My son's got a good eye. What are them? Them are the
Axolotls.
yeah, axolotls. They're so cool. They look like a sea monkey.
You know, if they live if axolotls live in bad condition, they'll lose the gills.
Really?
Yeah,
They look like a sea monkey kind of.
kind of.
A Cuban false chameleon. There he is.
Yeah.
They're doing construction here, so they have nothing in this exhibit. And this one is another chameleon.
Leaf chameleon.
And singing leaf. It's probably on a leaf somewhere. I don't see him, but oh, there he is. Up in the, I think that's him right there. Yeah, the yellow up here in the very corner in the back. He's camouflaged
Might.
there.
I don't know. Can't see real well.
This is where they do the animal shows, I think. They do it at 1 and 3, I believe. I have nothing in there right now. In this exhibit. Oh yeah, big old porcupines right here. Here's another one laying.
When you go over here, you can get a really close-up shot of this one.
And they have an exhibit of fossils over here too. Oh, there he is. There, that one lost some quails in there. See the quails?
You know, they actually can't shoot them. If you touch it though, it will release.
Right. A bunch of fossils here. Look, that's a jawbone there.
Oh, and the quills are also the
Monosaur.
porcupine are also just hairs.
There's a trilobite, a big trilobite right there. Different agate.
Oh, look at that giant quartz.
Giant, yeah, crystal quartz. Alright, so follow us on this adventure.
What are you playing with?
You like them monkeys, Appy?
I do actually.
What are they called? They're called marmosettes. They're from Brazil and South America.
One of them looked
Right at my camera when I took a picture. It was very cute. He like posed.
Then we got some tortoises. Tamarins. Tamarins are over.
We already saw that. We already saw that.
Oh, cool. Big guy here. American alligator. You can tell alligator.
It's actually a speckled caiman. So
Yeah, it's a caiman.
It's smaller than the other.
It's smaller than the alligator, but it's in the alligator family because the crocodile has the longer, skinnier snout, where the alligator's got a short, stubby. But that is a caiman.
Speckled caiman.
And they don't get very big, do they? About that size. That's probably an adult size.
Oh, there's someone here.
What are these? Guinea pigs. They got guinea
more
pigs.
over there.
Yeah, we'll look.
You gotta find all of them and names right here.
We got a bunch of little guinea pigs. Oh, this one's over here sleeping. Oh, I woke him up. I'm sorry, buddy. They're so cute. They're friendly animals too. They're just like a rabbit. You can train them to use the litter box and everything.
All of them have a different name on the board.
Oh yeah.
Each of them have a different
They basically eat the same food that a rabbit will eat too.
Take a picture and give it to Reese.
Oh, so you gotta find them. Meet the guinea pigs. They all got names. Dolly, Oingo Boingo, Beatrix, Reese, Meatball, Glove, Smudge, Banjo. They all got cool names. Big Red,
Peanut butter.
Peanut Butter, Peony, Sweet Pea, Cowboy, Sammy.
Sweet pea.
There's a big green iguana.
Sleeping right
And what we got over here in the corner? Oh,
right there.
Tamarins. There they is.
Cameron.
They are. I mean, I'm sorry. Can't speak English. What are they eating? Some kind of mango? That's what it looks like.
It's either mango or banana.
Apple. It's
Yeah,
apple. I don't think we went over here. I missed some stuff over here, I believe.
Come on, over here, man. No, this way, go on.
African dwarf hedgehog. He must not have one, or he's down in there somewhere. African hedgehog, I can't see it.
Oh, father.
These
the
are,
hedgehog.
that's for
The
down
hedgehog.
here.
Yeah,
but
he's
there's
right
the
there.
lizards.
Oh, look at him.
Oh, look at that one up there at the lake. There's a little mouse. Look.
It's a mouse.
Little forest mouse.
Those other things back there look like rats.
Oh, here's a snake. I'm not sure what kind that is. It almost looks like a copperhead, but I can't tell.
Yeah, its sign is gone. Okay.
Milk snake. That's a Mexican milk snake. It's laying in the bowl. And that's a...
Oh, it's all the way in the corner there.
Yeah, it's another kind of viper or boa, I believe. Oh, there's them tree vipers, boas. Are they boas?
Tree boas. Actually.
Yeah, tree boas. They blend in right with their surroundings, with the leaves and the trees. Here's a Solomon Island skink. He's cool.
Another one down there at the boat.
This one's throwing kisses at you. African bullfrog. Oh wow, he's a big one too. You can see him right there in the water. Look how fat he is. And here is a Argus monitor. There's a couple of them, a few of them, 4 of them I see. Oh no, there's 5. There's 4 on the logs and 1 down on the ground. Hey, here's your favorite, honey. The blue poison dart frog. That's my wife's favorite reptile. There he is, right in front of that little hobbit house. Right in front of Bilbo Baggins' house. He's in front of, look, he's in front of Bilbo's house. There he is. Let your mommy come over and see him. That's our favorite.
There's yellow ones right there, Paul.
Yeah, mommy likes the blue one.
I feel like there's little rubber stretchies in them.
Bunch of spiders, ooh. Tarantulas.
Gross. I don't like spiders.
Tortoise shells. Here's the blue poison. Here's another one, Jenny, you'd like to see. It's a blue one. He's pretty. He's got like really colorful. He's got yellow on his back. Check that one out,
They're
huh?
all different colors.
There's the golden dart frog. He's a pretty color.
He's got long legs.
I like these golden ones. You can see the poison secreting out their skin. The way they shine. Here's the poison arrow dart frog. A blue one. And then the yellow ones are here.
You scare them and they sit on you.
Come check these yellow ones out, Jenny. They're pretty. Yellow and black look like a color of a bumblebee. So that's about it. We're gonna go outside and feed the deer and the emus and different animals.
Goats out there too.
Goats,
And
yeah. Llamas. So follow. It's a little small kind of rainforest zoo. But it's really nice. It's got a lot of exhibits. So follow us on this adventure. So we're outside. Got the goaty goats. Little baby goat up there. Hey, buddy.
Come on, guys.
There you go, buddy. Come here. Come down here. There you go. You want to feed some, Jimmy? There you go, buddy. You want to feed different goats?
Oh, Father, look, the emus are down there. The emus.
Yeah, I'm glad they're down there.
No, you should get them up here.
They laugh at me with my family because I don't like the emus.
Oh, there's one right there too. Look, he's so close.
Of course, look, those giant emus.
I don't know if you can get up here though.
You waiting for some too?
Oh, they're so cute.
Didn't I feed you? You sneaking more? Huh? You sneaking more? Oops. Sorry, I dropped one. There you go. Now you already had some. He's trying to get more. You had yours too. Nah, I fed you too. You're all just sneaking around getting more, aren't you? Huh? Keep dropping them. Don't have to lick my hand, licky. Got me, they're all licky, licking my hand. That's my thumb. Can't eat my thumb.
Would you like me to take your picture under the goat gate, right? Because you're really all about that. Go stand under the goat gate. All right,
There you go. Go feed some deer. Didn't know there's deer back here. Feed the rest of my food I got for the deer. So I hope you're enjoying this adventure. Please tell your friends and family about our family channel we have. We've got a friendly family channel here. We like doing things as a family and bringing you great adventures. So please share with your friends and family. What we got here with this is llama.
You might mistake it for carrot.
There's a big llama coming up here. Here you go, buddy.
Careful, he'll spit on you.
No, he won't. He wants food. You don't care about spitting right now, do you?
Spit right in his eye.
Oh, you're a fast eater.
Hungry. You're hungry, ain't you? I got one more handful here
They're
for
so
you.
funny.
There you go.
I love them. Hi.
So, fed all my food to the llamas, most of it to the goats. Follow us on this adventure. Got the emus right here. I'm terrified of these birds. My wife likes driving through the safari and rolling my window down, and even though she rolls about. We're stopping at the one in Virginia on the way back. We're from Pennsylvania. She loves torturing me with it. You think it's funny, don't you? Yeah, just wants a hug. Got the big tortoises here. We fed these at Kentucky Zoo, if you watched that one. Fed them lettuce. These things live 150, 200 years old, I believe, and live a long time. I think it's like 150 they can live up to, if I'm not mistaken. I have my son right here, I could tell you, he'd know. What you got here, Effie? Ah, it's a pheasant. Golden pheasant. Golden pheasant. Yep, that's what it is. And they're from China. Got golden pheasant over here in the corner. Hey, for the people, how long does them tortoises live up to?
I think it was like 100, 180 years. I think.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah, so I was close. Bunch of little birds. Golden weavers. Another cockatoo down here too. Toucan. Where's Toucan at? He must be up. Maybe.
Right there. He's back here in his corner.
Oh, okay. He's back. There he is. Toucan Sam. Just like the Fruit Loops. My daughter's favorite cereal. Fruit Loops with marshmallows, right?
What?
How's your favorite cereal? Fruit Loops with marshmallows? Toucan's a Fruit Loops bird. And here's a cockatoo. Hello.
He's really thinking.
Hello. Pretty bird.
Yeah, look,
Are you
look,
pretty?
funny.
Are you saying, look at my pretty feathers? Look, he's all about
He's
himself.
posing.
Yeah. He's like, I got pretty feathers. Check me out. Hello. Hello. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Are you shy? Are you slaying? He's slaying. There's the monkey. The capuchin black cap capuchin monkey from Brazil.
Hello, buddy.
He wants a banana. That's what he wants. Look at the face on that. That's so cute. Look at him. What are you doing, buddy? Huh? You're on camera.
Oh, he's like, what is that?
Yeah, it's a camera.
He's like, I've never seen one of those
I'm
before.
filming you so the people can see you.
He's like, well, get my
Yeah.
good side then.
Yeah. Little one wants on the camera too. Hey. So cute.
This one's shy.
This is shy. He's hiding over here. He's too busy chewing on food or something over there.
If there's a duplicate, it's some of the duplicate.
All right. See you later. See you later. So that's about it, folks. It's just a small little zoo, but the kids enjoyed it, and I even enjoyed it. I'm sure my wife did too. So follow us on this more adventures, and ask if you're watching, please subscribe to our channel. Feel free to leave comments, suggestions, hit the like button. And this has been Uncle Jimmy with Jimmy's Train Station and Travel Adventures. Till next time, goodbye.